And what's up guys, and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to optimize your Brawl Stars performance on your PC. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. If you play Brawl Stars on your PC with LDPlayer, I think this is the only option to play Brawl Stars on PC or BlueStacks. If you don't know how to download Brawl Stars on PC or on your laptop, just go on my channel and watch this video. Okay guys, first what you need to do, just go in right corner and you will see this gear. Click this and you will see advanced. Go here on resolution, you will see here tablet mode. Just switch it to 160 dpi. Go here on CPU and you will see 4 cores. Click this and go on 2. Click here RAM and change it to 3 gigs. Go here now to game settings and you will see here frame rate. Click this and lock it to 60 default. Scroll down below to other settings and disable automatic rotate screen. Go here to models and change it to Xiaomi Ultra. Go save settings and restart your LDPlayer. Okay guys, I'm now back in LDPlayer, and if you see guys, LDPlayer now use less of my CPU and GPU too. I show you one more thing, just click Windows button and type MSCONFIG. Open system configuration and go here on boot. Go advanced option and check this number of processor, click this and choose maximum what you have. I have 8, just go OK and apply and OK. Restart your PC. When you restart your PC, just open your game now and see how your game is running now. Okay guys, I'm now in Brawl Stars and everything works fine. Just look guys how much Brawl Stars use my CPU, GPU and my RAM. And that's it guys for this video. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button. I see you in next video. Bye guys.